What is up, guys? Hey, today I'm gonna do a video. I got this wind muffler. I actually got it taken off right now. I'm gonna do a side-by-side video with and without the wind muffler on the GoPro and see how much of a difference it makes. I noticed on my Enduro Day video, there was no wind at all. So this run down Paperboy is with no muffler, no wind muffler. And the next run I'll put it on, and then I'll put the video side by side. I'll turn on and off the audio channels on both recordings, and we'll see how it goes. All right, here's my run down Paperboy with no wind muffler. All right, here's run 2 with the wind muffler.
Yeah, I like to show off.
Like, how do I drink water?
Good one.
Thanks. Right up a little bit. All right, guys, so that was run 2 in the books. This time with the wind muffler. The track was a little bit faster this time because it dried up a little bit, so I don't know, there might be a little variation because I was going faster at points, but we'll see. All right, how about 36 chamber without the wind muffler? Let's give this one a shot. How's it going, man? I love the hat. Thank you.
I suck in that part.
That's all right. Thanks for checking out the video, guys, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Here's to seeing you guys on the hill.